Firstly, we are going to install a JDK. So open your browser and search for JDK download for Windows. So here we having a first link which is www.oracle.com. So click on that particular link. So scroll down. So the current version of JDK which is 2022. It will be showing for different OS. We'll be selecting for the Windows. So here we having into 64 installer. So click on this link and the file is going to download which is JDK file. Open in folder. So double click on it. So click on S. So this is a welcome installation page of a JDK. We need to click on next and it will be asking for the path. So if you want you can change the path of installation for JDK. Otherwise we need to keep it as a default and click on next. So our JDK was installed successfully, then we need to close. So if you want to check whether the JDK was installed or not, we need to open our command prompt. There we need to write a command java space hyphen hyphen version. So if a Java is installed, it will be showing a current version along with a date. So which is 2022, the version of JDK. And after that, we need to install Eclipse. For that, open your browser and search for Eclipse. So we'll be getting a first link which is www.eclipse.org. Click on that link. So scroll up. So this is our page of Eclipse. So there see we having an option which is download. Click on it. Scroll down. And we need to download this file. So click on this particular button. And then we need to click on a download option. Then a file is going to download here. So it will take some time to download your Eclipse IDE. So the Eclipse software is installed successfully. Then we need to open that folder and double click on it. So here we need to select a type of filter text. So for that, so we're having multiple. There we need to select for Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Click on that. And here, this is a path of your Java. And this is a path where we are going to install your Eclipse IDE. So if you want to create a shortcut, we need to check this. And then we have to install. It will take some time to install. So installation completed. Then we need to click on launch. So it will be asking for the workspace. So this is the default path for the Eclipse. So if you want you can modify by clicking a browse. So otherwise use this as a default. I'll be click that checkbox and click on launch. So click on continue. And this is the first program. If you want to execute this, we need to right click and click on run as. And we need to run our Java application. So click on OK. and we'll be getting our output as MyGoMind first program. And this is the way we need to write our code in Eclipse IDE. Then we need to know how to configure your Apache Tomcat to the Eclipse IDE. So for that, now we need to configure our Apache Tomcat server to the Eclipse IDE. So for that we need to open perspective. Now we need to select an option which is Java EE, and then we need to go on option which is window there. So we need to go for show view. So in that we need to select an option which is servers. Okay. So here it will be showing like a no servers are available. So we need to link our server to the Eclipse IDE. So it will be showing multiple servers available here. So click on Apache and it will be displaying a multiple server with some version name. So we'll be installing a current version and click on next. Now we need to browse our path. So open your Windows. There will be having an so go to this PC, Windows C, go to users. There we having something, and we need to install this particular thing over here, and we need to select that path, and then we need to select this folder and so after selecting a path we need to click on next. So and click on a finish. So here see, now we'll be configured our Tomcat server to the Eclipse IDE. So we'll be getting a folder here. We'll be using a current version of our Tomcat which is 10, and then